Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download the Grammarly application on your iPhone. So let's get started right away. First of all, you will want to open up your iOS App Store. Once you open the iOS App Store, just use the search box and search for Grammarly. When you find the Grammarly application, just tap on the download button and wait for the download to complete. Once the download is complete, you can tap on the open button and this will open up the Grammarly application. And now you can simply tap on the next button and then tap on Get Started to start using the Grammarly application on your iPhone. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to download and use the Grammarly application on your iOS device. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.